everyone! I'm in a really wonderful place right now. It's like 7 p.m. so outside is kind of dark. But tomorrow in the morning, first thing that I'm going to do is show you all the place around. Actually, I was surprised that this place was hidden in here in Ancud. This is called La Casita de la Playa, and it's like for a family, and they also have in here more rooms for the kids, and the big main room, it's over there. I'm getting there, but my first task is going to be light some fire. They let me everything settle for me to light it up, and they also left me some soup, obviously handmade, delicious bread, and there are some fruits over here too. And I'm really excited. This place is awesome. I love the decoration. It has like a lot of natural endemic things, and let's start with that fire.
Evolution in the music got us moving way out in the crowd. Evolution of the blueprint got us moving way out in the crowd. Breathe, I'ma let the moment breathe. Swimming out until the.
So I was just enjoying my fire. The food was delicious. I'm so grateful about they getting everything for me, just like waiting for me. And now I want to show you a little bit of the units that Sandra and Brit have. So let's take a little tour. I saw the rules, so I'm sorry about that. I am wearing my slippers now, which are really nice. Chiloé wool, so it's really nice because I know that this should be like handmade for the artisans, local artisans from here. As you can see, also the roof is like with the wall trees. This huge mural, I don't know how to say everything, but it's also with Chiloé wool, which is really special because there is like unique sheep, which is like endemic from here. In the island, so I think it looks like that kind of wool, and you can see some flowers. I really love this design, and this is acero, like steel. We have the whole kitchen. There is really everything that you need, even a coffee machine. Lot of things, really lot of things. So I think that everything you can imagine they have it on here. You have glasses, there is a little toaster over there for each. Then you have in this part the kids' room. It's awesome. If I would be a kid, I mean, I do love it, and I'm not a kid. This is the bathroom. I'll show you more about it too. And here you have some games and also books for reading. So everything's like really cozy. This carpet, I think it's also handmade. And then this is my best part of the house. Look at this. It's amazing. This carpet, really native from here. It's really awesome. So I'll show you now a little bit better.
Hello everyone, this is day 2 waking up in Chiloé. There's a clean good sun outside, so I'm dying about going.
Tell me, do you think of me like I think of tell me, my love, do you feel right? Do you feel charmed? Now you come far away, far away. If you can, would you stay? Would you stay? Now you come far away, far away. If you can, would you stay? Would you stay?
So for this part of the video, I just want to start communicating how the energy of this place affects me right now. I mean, I could start even with how I met Sandra, which is the person who dragged me into this whole world of yoga. And it's so beautiful how the world has prepared something for you, even if you don't know. Mostly when you don't know. Because I used to, well, I obviously went to school here in Ancud, Chiloé, and I take this class during high school, and it was a yoga class. And I remember that Sandra was my first yoga teacher. So right now, like a few weeks ago, she connected me and invited me to come meet this beautiful sanctuary place that she has. And I'm really touched about everything that she has created in here, because, well, I am a sensitive person, but also I can really understand and I can appreciate all the effort that she has put into this place, not just in the buildings or all the amenities that she has, but it's just the energy of this place. It's full of good vibes. It's like, it's really emotional. It's like everything is so well prepared and just put in the right place, and you can feel really the love. Like, you can tell that she loves this style of living. So I'm really, really glad for this invitation, and I feel like starting with some music therapy maybe. Well, there are a lot of instruments, then, well, I have my this notebook. When in here I materialize all my feelings, all the achievements that I want, the things that I have done, the things that I want to do, the troubles, the winnings, everything. And it's funny because this was handmade for another person that she let me, like, the highlights into the designing world. So yeah, that's Kathy. Thank you, Kathy, for that. And maybe writing a little bit, because I'm expecting a big trip. I would love to keep on digging a little bit more into this yoga world that I have been developing, like, for maybe more than 10 years for sure. So I will just leave you guys in there and just start flowing with this. I'm really curious about all the elements that Sandra has in here, so just got a message from Jacqueline, and she has been so nice. She helped me with the fire, and also she prepared the soup and the bread. Right, I'm doing something wrong, I think. Fuck. Okay. I'll figure out that later. So I might have to figure it out now. But whatever. Okay. So, well, the thing is that this is la casita de la playa, and over there is the shala that I was training in, and doing the yoga. It was excellent. Really, I'm so happy about that. I guess, as you can see, they have all this huge space so people can come camping, or maybe I don't know. Oh, let me show you about this. Also, there is a meditation maze. So, these are grapes from their dogs. I think they're really cute. So yeah, I will show you the rounds. There's a thing for making fire over there. This is the place that I was recently in the morning. And in here, I'm not sure if you can see it right, but it's a meditation maze. So you need to find your way in. I don't want to make it bad, so let's do this. And the house is over there. They are expecting me with some lunch, but let's do this. I mean, I'm not really meditating right now, and they are expecting me for eating, so I should probably go. But yeah, it's cool. I love that. I have to do it like in mindfulness, and it's a huge space. There is a natural swimming pool too, like chemical free. And I'm doing it. I'm going to show you that, but look at these trees. They have some kayaks in here. I was expecting to do some kayaking or stand-up paddle, but maybe tomorrow in the morning. There's another unit for staying. It's like a tower. Cool. So let's see what What have Jacqueline prepared for me? Permiso. Hola, amiguito. Hola, mi amor. Hola, Jackie, ¿cómo estás? Bien, me voy a sacar los zapatitos.
Everybody plays a beautiful game while I'm in Brazil. Cause it's all you've ever wanted, and it's all that you want still. Don't you wanna play the beautiful game out in Brazil? I wanna play the beautiful game while I'm in Brazil. Cause everybody plays the beautiful game out in Brazil. And it's all you've ever wanted, and it's all that you want still. Don't you wanna play the beautiful game out in Brazil? I heard it lives down the river somewhere. The streets of cars and trees, they got eyes, but he can't see. Well, it talks like an angel, but it looks like me.
I'm really tired, but I'm really happy that Sandra and her family invited me here. I was really surprised about everything that they have done in here. They have been, I think, 25 years building this place, and it's really lovely. I can feel the energy and the passion that they have put into developing this project. I think that Chiloé is really a nice place for people who are trying to get to connect more with themselves and really enjoy the nature. It has a lot of beautiful things, really well done. It's like rustic but also luxury. I don't know, it's a weird mixture, but I think they have developed their own space in here. And the yoga place, that shala was really outstanding. I really enjoyed it. I went doing yoga twice today, in the morning and later in the night actually, and I have to tell you that it was what's the name, Luna Nueva, new moon, yesterday, so I also used my time to really write a lot and to connect with myself and with the things that are coming up for me. And yeah, it's true, I am. I really didn't want to come sleep because the place was so lovely. I really enjoy it. There are a lot of books for reading and a lot of beauty everywhere. I went to the beach too. There's the swimming pool. Maybe if the wind and the weather make it work, I will go some sports, but like water sports, maybe kayaking, maybe soup. I want to do that, and I will let you know because tomorrow is the day that I'm going to leave, so hopefully in the morning I will get to do some of that things. So yeah, I'm ready to sleep. I forgot my pajamas, but this is it and I love it. So good night. See you guys tomorrow. I'm so going in a stand-up paddle in a while. Hello. I'm so happy because the sea is really quiet, so I am going to grab a coffee, eat my yogurt, eat my granola, and just going to the sea. Awesome. So, oh my gosh, look at this. There are just a lot of birds. Unbelievable. So I feel like I'm losing time, so I'm going to go grab a coffee, eat my granola, eat my yogurt, and then find the stand-up paddle. I'm going to the sea. It's so glass. So yeah, I'm so happy and excited. Oh, thank you, Chiloé. This has been amazing. No way. The
beach is just beside me. Okay, breakfast it is. So I have this coffee machine. I'm going to start with that. Mi cafecito, mi cafecito. So here I am, walking to grab the soup. Today I am going to finally get into the water, hopefully get into that pool too, and there is a little bit more of wind, but I'm supposed to be okay. Here they are. It's going to be a thing to get them into the water, but yeah, let's do it. But first, so this. Oh, lovely. Hello there. Look at these babies. Yeah, so right now Sandra and Brit are not here, so it's not like fully growth everything, but nice. Changed and we're ready. This time I didn't get locked outside. Look at my fire. It's going to be great when I get home back. All cold and wet. Good. It's actually warm because of fire. La agüita, qué emoción, qué emoción, qué emoción. Nos vamos a hacer soup. Qué lindo, qué lindo, qué lindo. There's the yoga shala. I'm riding here. My gate to happiness. It's really windy. But anyway, it's really windy. It's really windy, but let's see. Well, fun fact, I chose this thing that it's for kayaking, but anyways, it worked. Dope, this is dope, I love it.
I'm thinking about getting to that beach over there. It's supposed to be like 20 minutes, as I heard, and I'm supposed to came back with the flow of the sea. So I've never done this before. Like, yeah, I have souped, but not getting into that part. And I'm going to show you there I'm staying at. That's Chiloé, and Ancud, the city, the town, is over there. So let's keep on going. I like the sun, my face, and my kayaking. It's working. Yeah, I'm definitely getting closer. I can't believe I'm doing this. I mean, this is why I go to the gym actually, for achieving things and having a healthy body that allows me to move and to get lost in the sea, cross from one beach to another. That beach looks better though. I'm definitely going to make it. It's just awesome. Actually, I feel like taking this view. To get to that beach, let me show you. That's where I'm heading. So let's go. Building some muscles today. Oh, I like this. So this seaweed is really good. It's really good for your face. So let's do this for a little while. Doing it. Let's go. What a frame with Ancud in the back. best day of my life. Woohoo! What the oh. Right. Mission accomplished. Some seamen over there, fisher guys. Hello. So let's check out the place. Little houses over there. I did it! I'm staying in there. Right.
You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah.
So, I told you the whole story of my life,
We chased our pleasures
and it
here,
wasn't taping, I don't know
dug
why,
our
but
treasures
anyway.
there. But
Hey,
can you still
we made it.
recall the time we
So,
cried?
I'm dying for a hot shower right now.
Break on through to the other side.
Yay for me! What a good shower! I really need it. So, I am so proud of myself for what I did right now. I'm so glad that I made my way back safe and sound. And I'm a little bit sad about leaving, actually. I can feel it like home because it's really cool, this place. I like it really much, and I'm going to show you the place that I get in the kayak. I mean in the SUP. That beach over there. So that was like la guinda de la torta. I don't know how you say that in English, but it's like the best part for finalizing something or whatever. So yeah, I have to leave. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you catch the vibe of what's Chiloé. And all, I mean, there are a lot of more things to do. There are some hikings. There is the swimming pool, the natural swimming pool. There is the kayaks too. And I don't know, maybe in next times I could show you a little bit more about this place. But I'm so grateful about, most of all, for the yoga, and also Jacqueline. Jacqueline was so nice to me. She prepared all the meals, and so if you come here, they expect you with fire and with food. You can order maybe breakfast or you can also do these fires outside. You are just beside the beach. There's all the woods part too, and I want to tell you, these guys, Sandra and Brit, they have another another side hustle. It's called Isla Natura, and they sell really good food for your health, like with Maggi and honey and natural things that are like super foods, super alimentos. And you should check that too. And what else did I want to say to you before I leave? I don't know, well, whatever. See you guys! I need to check out, and I will probably see you in another adventure over Chile or the world, actually. Wonderful day. So, my last coffee. I don't want to leave. Unbelievable place to be at. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. I have to get everything done and leave. But yeah, amazing experience. Chiloé Sanctuary, really recommended. Real quick, let me show you this. Awesome. There's another one in there. I know what a word of the box there. Can you see them? Bye.